In AI, Anthropic's Claude Science turns frontier AI from a lab copilot into a full scientific workbench. Anthropic's June 30 launch matters because Claude Science is not just another model demo. It packages agents, domain connectors, reproducible artifacts, and elastic compute into a scientific workflow product researchers can actually run. Anthropic announced on June 30, 2026 that Claude Science is now available in beta as a dedicated AI workbench for scientists. In DeFi and crypto, OpenUSD says the next stablecoin war will be won by a consortium, not a single issuer. The June 30 OpenUSD launch matters because it reframes stablecoins from issuer-owned products into shared infrastructure backed by payment networks, banks, cloud firms, and crypto platforms. Open Standard announced on June 30, 2026 that it is launching OpenUSD, or OUSD, a new stablecoin aimed at global money movement. In fintech, American Express and Apple Pay are turning rewards redemption into a native checkout rail. American Express's June 30 Apple Pay expansion matters because it embeds loyalty value directly into mobile checkout instead of forcing cardholders into a separate rewards workflow. American Express said on June 30, 2026 that eligible U.S. card members can now use a new feature called Use Pay with points with Apple Pay. In hardware, Intel's Arc G3 handheld push says portable gaming silicon is becoming its own hardware category. Intel's June 30 MSI Claw write-up matters because it shows the company is no longer treating handheld gaming as a laptop offshoot. It is designing dedicated silicon, software, and thermals around portable play. On the surface, the write-up looks like a partner case study. In software, Microsoft's new Windows developer stack says cross-platform command line parity is now a software platform priority. Microsoft's Build 2026 developer tooling matters because native core DLLs and WSL containers are aimed at removing everyday Linux friction from Windows rather than asking developers to keep translating workflows by hand. At Build 2026, Microsoft outlined a set of developer-facing Windows changes that are easy to underrate if you only look for headline AI demos. In drones and robotics, Uptake UWorld U1 says humanoid robotics is trying to jump from factory-proof to consumer scale. Uptake June 30 U1 launch matters because it moves a company known for industrial humanoids into a mass-produced consumer robot pitch built around companionship, service, and long-term human-robot coexistence. In gaming, PlayStation's 2028 disc cutoff says the physical era of mainstream console releases is finally ending. Sony's July 1 announcement matters because it does not merely add another digital perk. It sets a hard date for when new PlayStation releases will stop being manufactured on disc, forcing the industry to confront what a post-physical console market really means. See more on TechPulse.
Like and follow for more updates.